Hello students, welcome to the Intermediate Law class. Welcome to the Spring 2021 semester. My name is Lilimar Lunar and I am your teacher. I am a teacher who has been working for Santa College for the last 4 years and I have been teaching English for the last 26 years. I am here to help you improve your language skills, so we will be working on activities to improve your listening skills, writing skills, speaking skills, and reading skills. We will be working on a platform that is called Canvas. Maybe some of you know Canvas, maybe some of you don't know Canvas, but I will be here to help you use this platform. On this platform, on Canvas, we are going to have our assignments, our grades, our quizzes, everything that is related to our class. And this is the card that you will see when you log into Canvas. To join our meetings every day, we are going to use Conference Zoom. That is on your left side. So you click on Conference Zoom and you will see the events that are coming. So our event is next Wednesday, January 13 from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So we click on this link and then you will go direct to the meeting. I am very happy to help you. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Email me or use Remind to send me a message and I will be more than happy to help you. I'll see you on Wednesday, January 13 at 8 a.m. Please contact me one more time if you have any questions. I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye-bye.